So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you top 10 base meme coins to buy in this tip. Okay, buy today, and these meme coins will give you a massive return when crypto market will again recover here. I'm also holding these all 10 meme coins. So video will be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. So friends, our first meme coin is Shiruniku, a Shiba Inu's backed meme coin, already hit $1 billion market cap during its launching day. As you can see right now, market cap is only $15 million. So Shiru right now is in massive dip here. Trading volume is still good, $2.7 million trading volume. But friends, right now we are 96% down in this all-time high and only 17% up in this all-time low. They were 12 days ago, and definitely Shiru has potential when crypto market will again recover here. When we see BTC around again $100,000, then definitely Shiru has potential to break its all-time high and make a new all-time high. First, second meme coin is Putty Penguin. Pengu coin all-time high market cap was around $4 billion. Right now, you can see its market cap is just $351 million. So Pengu is also Binance listed meme coin, and right now is in massive dip here. You can see friends, we are also 91% down, and right now Pengu is on its all-time low. Okay, just 5% up only. Binance is listed, and mostly meme coins are listed on MEXC and Get.io, because in this list many meme coins are still not listed on tier 1 central exchanges. So you can also buy all meme coins on MEXC and Get.io. I will already provide you a link in description, both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges. First, third one is Sundog. Okay, Tron ecosystem, high market, high trading volume, meme coin, current price $0.04, and you can see market is right now only $48 million. Recently, we saw a massive rally in Sundog price when this meme coin already give us, I think, 3x profit in just 24 hours. So a massive rally in past couple of days in Sundog, but Sundog is still in massive dip. I can see only $48 million market. Right now, we are 86% down in the all-time high. So Sundog is also in massive dip here. Friends, fourth meme coin is Kakino coin. Okay, Avalanche ecosystems high market meme coin. Right now, dumped by 13% here, and in last 1 year, it's 7% dump. Current market cap right now only $46 billion. So a massive dump also in this meme coin. 89% down in its all-time high. So right now, Kokino is also in massive dip. You can see friends, these are central exchanges where this coin is listed. It's still Coinbase, Binance, and many other central exchange listing left for this coin. But you can buy this coin right now on Get.io and MEX exchange also. So Kokino has also potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin when crypto market will again recover here. Fifth meme coin is Suico system meme coin. Its name is Suding. Hippo in symbol 0.004 $1 current price. Current market price exceed $41.9 million only. So Suding Hippo is also in massive dip. You can see friends, 85% down in its all-time high and just 1% up in its all-time low about 13 days ago. So right now Hippo is also in massive dip. Ali listed in Binance Futures, and Get.io MEXC has already listed this coin, and maybe this meme coin has also potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin. When crypto market will again record here, we can see a massive boom for meme coins in crypto market. Then definitely Hippo has potential to be the next big meme coin. First number six meme coin is Brad. Best ecosystem meme coin 0.0 $3 current price. Last 30 days performance is not good. Okay, only $313 billion market. So Brad is also in massive dip. You can see Bass ecosystem, Frog theme meme coin just like Pepe, and this meme coin has potential to be the next Pepe also. We are at 6% down in its all-time high, but it's still 3600% up in its all-time low also. But definitely Brett is in massive dip here. Not on Binance yet. You can see friends, Binance exchange listing is left for this coin, but you can buy from these central exchanges. And definitely Binance will also list Brett this year. Friends, eighth meme coin is Moniki coin. Okay, Moniki is also a Kerthi meme coin in Stana ecosystem. You can see $0.0012 current price. Last 30 days performance is not good. and $10.9 million market cap only. So massive jump in this meme coin also. We are 95% down in its all-time high that was 11 months ago, and right now just 3 hours ago this meme coin has also hit its all-time low. These are central exchanges where you can buy. As I already told you, Get.io and MEXC has listed most of these meme coins, but still this meme coin is not on tier 1 central exchanges. But friends, definitely MoneyKey has potential to be the next big crypto also. So friends, at meme coin is Bonkino coin. Okay, current price is 4 times $1. Solana ecosystem, meme coin, a Dokti meme coin, and first meme coin. This was the first meme coin in Solana ecosystem. $791 million market cap, only already hit $4 billion market cap. But right now, massive dump in Bonk also. 82% down than its all-time high. Listed on Kraken, Coinbase, Binance, anywhere, everywhere. And friends, definitely Bonk has also potential to be the next again multi-billion dollars market. When crypto market will recover, then definitely Bonk will fast recover than any other meme coin. First ninth meme coin is Floki no coin, and Floki is also in massive dip here. You can see last 1 year performance is also not good. Current market right now just $579 million only. Already for Floki hit $3.4 billion market, but due to recent market crash, Floki is also barely dumping here. Trading volume is just $180 million only. $180 million market, not just a meme coin, a gaming, and also very amazing meme coin. Right now, we are 82% down in the all-time high. Whereas definitely Floki has potential to recover fast than any other meme coin. Then BTC will again make massive hype in crypto market. We see Bitcoin around again $110,000. At that time, Floki can again break a all-time high and make a new all-time high. First, last meme coin is Simmons Cat. Okay, ASCAT is symbol. BB20 means Binance ecosystem meme coin. Okay, you can see current price 0.5 times 06 $9, and you can see cat is also genomed as 100 sorry 1000 cat on some central exchanges. So its name is also changed on some central exchanges. Last day's performance is not good. You can see $46 million market only. Okay, only $46 million market right now. Last 24-hour trading volume is $10 million only. Binance ecosystem meme coin, BNB Chain meme coin, we are almost 90% down than its all-time high. And right now, this meme coin is also on its all-time low also. And friends, already listed Binance Future and many other central exchanges has list this coin. Okay, so definitely Simmons Gate has also potential to be the next big crypto also. When crypto market will recover, then these all 10 meme coins will again recover here. But friends, no doubt these all meme coins mostly on their all-time lows also. So right now investing here is highly risky and highly rewarded also. I'm already holding these all meme coin. Recently I buy this meme coin if for short term, because I'm already holding for long term, and I'm betting that when we see a massive recovery in BTC, then definitely in short term these all 10 meme coin will give us maybe 3 to 5x returns here.